Today, we've got some mind blowing updates from Samsung that you won't want to miss. So, buckle up because we're diving straight into the latest on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Can you believe it? Samsung is on a mission to create the most powerful smartphone ever, and all signs point to the Galaxy S25 Ultra leading the charge. But we're not just talking about your average everyday device for social media or gaming, we're talking about a whole new level of innovation in AI technology. Let's talk specs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature the groundbreaking Snapdragon Agent 4 chip, equipped with Qualcomm's next-generation Orion cores. And get this, it might just be the first smartphone chip to boast LPDDR6 RAM. That means lightning-fast performance and unrivaled AI capabilities. Now, you might be wondering why LPDDR6 RAM matters. Well, Samsung is pulling out all the stops to enhance on-device AI performance. With the second generation of Galaxy AI on the horizon, the S25 Ultra is poised to deliver some seriously impressive features. But wait, let's not forget about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's no slouch in the AI department, but Samsung is setting its sights even higher for the S25 Ultra. And with the success of the S24 series, it's clear that Samsung's Ultra phones are the real stars of the show. Speaking of success, the Galaxy S24 series have been flying off the shelves worldwide, with the Ultra model leading the pack. It's no wonder Samsung is doubling down on making their Ultra phones even more, well, Ultra. And here's the kicker. Samsung isn't stopping there. Get ready for a major camera upgrade on the S25 Ultra. While details are still under wraps, rumors suggest a brand new 200 megapixel sensor that could redefine smartphone photography as we know it. Thank you for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, happy exploring. The Galaxy S24 series has garnered significant attention globally, breaking pre-order records in many countries. Samsung reported a double-digit increase in pre-orders compared to previous models. Recent data reveals that the sales of the Galaxy S24 series have exceeded those of the Galaxy S23 series since its release. According to a report from Counterpoint Research, global sales of the Galaxy S24 series are 8% higher than those of the Galaxy S23 series. In South Korea, sales of the Galaxy S24 are reportedly 22% higher than its predecessor. Western Europe, including France, Germany, and the UK, saw a 28% increase in sales, driven by robust pre-order demand. In the US, sales of the Galaxy S24 series surpassed those of the Galaxy S23 series by 14%. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most expensive model in the series, accounted for 52% of the total sales. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus made up 27% and 21% of the sales, respectively. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are the first Samsung phones to come pre-installed with AI-powered features. These features include real-time language translation during messages and calls, webpage and note summarization, and generative AI-powered image and video editing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts advanced features and materials, including a titanium frame, glare-free Gorilla Glass armor protection, and a powerful camera setup. It features a 200 megapixel primary rear camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The phone can record 8K 30 videos and has a built-in S Pen. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 series comes with One UI 6.1, featuring smoother animations on the home screen. An update to One UI Home version 15.0 1.3 offers improved animations, particularly when opening and closing applications. While users can manually install the update, it's recommended to wait for the official release to avoid potential security risks.